In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your animation smoother in Moon Animator inside of Roblox Studio. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's say you have already created a simple walk cycle and it works. But as you can see, it looks a bit stiff or robotic. Now what we are going to do is smooth it out using the keyframe settings. First, make sure all the keyframes are selected by doing it manually, or you can just go to edit and click on select all, or alternatively you can also press alt key and F key on your keyboard to select all of your keyframes. And once that all of your keyframes are selected, just go to keyframe and click on edit selection. Under ease, you will find style. Just click on the drop down for style and make sure linear is selected for starters. After that, we can just click on OK. And now I'm just going to go ahead and preview it. And now you can see it is already looking pretty smooth. Now let's add some realistic movements to this. Let's say we want to add some torso movement. So in real life, it's like putting weight on the side. So let's say I have created 3 movements and I have set it at seconds. You can just go to the 3 dot and make sure timeline size is selected to 1 so it's easier for us to navigate. And once you have done that, just go to options and make sure the show seconds is also toggled on like so, and you will see your seconds here. So my first movement is on 0.00 second. The second movement is on the 300 second mark. Now let's go ahead and add a bit of torso movement in between the steps. So the first thing that we are going to do is find the middle point, which is going to be 150 in my case, as this is just between the 0 second and 300 second mark. After we have done that, we can add a bit of torso movement. So we will select the torso, press R, and move our torso a little bit at the top, just like so. And once you have done that, we can just go to the middle part of the second movement, which is going to be 450 seconds, which is just in the middle of the 300 and 600 second mark. And after doing that, you can just select the earlier keyframe that we added, press Ctrl C and press Ctrl V on your keyboard to add some movements. Now let's go ahead and preview it. Now you can see it is already looking a bit smooth and more lively. Now we can even add some torso movement like in real life. So let's say this character is moving the leg, this particular leg forward. So I'll just go ahead and preview it. So in the 300 second mark, the character is taking his right leg forward. So at 300 second mark, I'll just click on torso and add a rotation to this particular side. So it looks like the character is adding a weight to this side. So I'll just select the torso and move it towards the leg that he is about to step in, just like so. And once I have done that, I will just go to the 600 second mark and add the same movement, but on the other side. So it's going to be on the left side, just like so. And now when we preview it, you will see it is already looking a pretty bit smooth. We can also go to the 0 second mark and add the same torso movement, which is on the left hand side. And now let's go ahead and preview it. Now you can see we have successfully created a smooth animation in Roblox Studio. Now you can select all of your keyframes and just go to keyframe tab, click on edit selection, and just click on the drop down for style, and you can try different style and see what looks best for your animation. If you want it to feel more natural, you can go with smoother easing, and if you want more mechanical, you can just go with linear. And that's it. By adjusting the keyframes and adding a bit more realism, you can turn a simple animation into much better looking smooth animation. If you find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.